What happens when underwater volcanoes erupt? It's not just a splash and some bubbles. These eruptions can create massive waves. Imagine a tsunami forming right before your eyes. But that's not all. The heat from the lava can superheat the water. This creates steam explosions, sending debris flying. And the ash? It can darken the ocean for miles around. Marine life is affected too, as the sudden temperature change disrupts ecosystems. So next time you hear about an underwater eruption, remember, it's a lot more than just a show. Curious to learn more about our planet's wonders? Hit that follow button for more amazing facts.